Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Nissan Altima key fob. First, ensure your vehicle's battery is fully charged and the key fob has a fresh battery. A weak battery can prevent successful programming. Also, gather all key fobs you intend to program at this time. This ensures they are all recognized by your vehicle's system during the reset procedure, saving you time and effort. Now, let's get your Altima into programming mode. Sit inside your vehicle with all doors closed. Insert your key into the ignition and quickly remove it 6 times within a 10-second period. This rapid action signals the car's computer. You'll know you've succeeded when your hazard lights flash, confirming that your Nissan Altima is now ready to accept new key fob programming instructions. With your vehicle in programming mode, it's time to program your key fobs. Take the first key fob and press any button on it once. The hazard lights should flash again, confirming it's been registered. If you have more key fobs, repeat this exact step for each one. Finally, turn the ignition to the on position, then immediately to OFF to exit the programming sequence. Test all fobs to ensure they work. After programming, thoroughly test each key fob to ensure all functions, like locking, unlocking, and remote start, work correctly. If any fob isn't working, you might need to repeat the programming steps. To maintain reliability, consider replacing your key fob batteries annually, even if they seem fine. This proactive approach prevents unexpected issues. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.